Alright, today through the IWI barrel, we're going to run the Eley Match. It's Remington branded, but it's still just Eley Match. I'll shoot about 20 shots to foul the barrel in, and then we'll do some 5-shot groups, see how it performs. As usual, we're going to do a bunch of foulers and get our 0 for this ammo, and then we'll shoot groups. Pretty windy day, as we can see, but it's basically a headwind again. So let's see what we can do here. As you can tell, my foulers, I was rushing through them pretty quickly, and I ended up having one go off when I wasn't ready, and that one was pulled. But even the foulers with only 10, they were grouping at an MOA. Everything's looking pretty promising. Not too sure if you guys can see it, but the bolt runs so much smoother now. I'm not sure if it's a different kind of chambering or something, but it just seems like a bolt lockup is way smoother and way more effortless. Feels amazing. Okay, right out of the hop, stuff shoots really good. I slipped on into the trigger. Let's go straight into the groups. Here we go, 5 shots. I'm gonna come down, point 1. Next one, I'm going to go left 1 click. Next target up. Alright, this stuff shoots pretty deadly right out of the box. Only 10 foulers for this too, so this is good ammo, and this is a great barrel so far. Next target up, 3rd. Okay, next one up. And last target, I'll just do a 10-shot group on this one. This stuff is shooting really well.
Well, very impressed. Eley Match, very good stuff. This barrel, this rifle combination seems to work really well with it, so big thumbs up. We have all the Crony data right here. I'll display it right now.